What's going on, guys? Jackson here with McLaughlin's RV and Marine, and today we're going to teach you how to launch your boat. Alright, for the first step, we're going to walk around the outside of our trailer, inspect our boat, and make sure there's no invasive species attached. Alright, so step 2 here, we're going to make sure our plugs are in and trailer straps are taken off if you have them. On this Mastercraft, we're going to have both midship and a transom plug. Alright, step 3, make sure all your gear is inside your boat. Alright, now that we're all ready to go, step number 4 is to pull your boat around to the landing. Now that you're pulled around the axis, step number 5 is to make sure you're all squared up and ready to go straight back in. Step number 6, start up your boat, make sure it runs before you unattach. Step number 7, now that the boat is running, unattach your winch and have your driver back you in.